When you're doing modeling projects, usually you need to keep the traceabilities between the model elements. The traceabilities showing where is the model element come from, or where is the model element going to in the next steps. If you keep this trace, it's easier for you to go back and forward that later on. And in this example, I have the use case that I can see there's a model transitor to let me show the trace. I can trace to the requirements which realize this use case. Then I go to the draw UML diagram. There's a visual pattern for UML to show this relationship. And there's a various way for you to manage the transitions. In this video, I would like to show you if you have a lot of requirements and use case, you want to map the transit relationship. How can you do that? Okay, let me just take this example. In Agilian Business Process Visual Architect Teamwork Server, I don't have any transitions. I don't have any traceability here, the model transitor. So I want to add the model transitor of this element to the use case. Then what can I do is I can right click, open the specifications, and then I can move it around. Let me just expand the tree. I want to make this Agilian map to the draw enterprise architecture diagram, business process visual architect to draw business process diagram. Okay, let me show you how to do that. First of all, I click the pin on the dialog box, and then I click the Octo's open spec. Click these two buttons will make the selections on the diagram automatically showing on the dialog box. Let me click on the business process. You see, let me click on the Agilian, it comes back to here. And the documentation pane also showing the documents. Okay, let's switch to the traceability tab. The traceability tab is for you to add the traceability. You can click the add button to add the transit from transit to, but I don't use this button now. What I'm going to do is I select the Agilian and then I review the documentations of the Agilian. Then I find that this use case, the draw enterprise architectures, is the right use case I want to add the trace. Then I can click on it and drag it to the traceability table, and then I can add it as a transit from, and then I click apply. Okay, go to the next, the business process visual architect, and I review the documentations, and I think the draw business process diagram is correct one. Then I can click draw business process architect and drag to the diagram, and also click add transit from. Okay, now assume I finished my work. I can click OK. Then you can verify have I do it right. You can select the business process visual architect requirements, and there is a model transitor. I click on it. Then I can jump back to the use case, and also the enterprise architectures. I can also have the transit. I can go to the Agilian, something like that. So you can see if you have a lot of models you want to manage the transitions, manage the traceability, you can use this technique to do that. And thank you very much for watching this video.